Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to clean a film camera. Remove the film and set it aside safely, then open the back carefully. Use a blower to clear loose dust, a soft brush for corners, and a microfiber cloth for body surfaces. Avoid touching the shutter curtain and internal rollers. Inspect the film chamber and pressure plate, and use sensor swabs only if you are experienced and confident with delicate parts. In this video, I will show how to clean a film camera. Begin by detaching the lens and placing it on a clean surface. Use a blower to remove dust, then work with a soft brush for crevices. Apply a drop of lens solution to a microfiber cloth and wipe in gentle circular motions from center outward. Check the filter and mount for grime and dry thoroughly before reattaching the lens to avoid trapping debris. In this video, I will show how to clean a film camera. Quick recommendation: make gear storage easier with those leak-proof meal prep containers I love for organizing small parts and keeping cloths dry, a tidy trick that saves time and frustration. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to clean a film camera. Open the back and keep the camera pointed downward while cleaning to let dust fall out. Use a blower and soft brush to clean the film plane, sprockets, and pressure plate without touching the shutter curtain. Inspect rollers and hinge areas for grit and remove carefully. If lubrication is needed, follow the manufacturer guide or seek a technician to avoid harming mechanisms or seals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.